A nice, relaxing back float. Something that we see so often in swimming and is such a good goal to be going for. But yet, many of us don't feel relaxed and at ease on our back float. And this has a lot to do with our breath. When you put your face in the water, we have a reflex that tells us to hold our breath. That air is not available, hold your breath. Tiny babies, they have this reflex. That's why you can teach tiny babies to learn to swim, because you put them underwater, they have this reflex to hold their breath. When we start on our back, start with holding your breath. Don't go into breathing right away because it changes your buoyancy. And when your face is out of the water, you like it out of the water. And when it suddenly starts to dip or change because your buoyancy level is changing, it brings tension, and this is not what we want. We want to at first feel totally at ease. The only tension that we want to have in our body to start with is the tension in our chest that is required to hold your breath. You can take a nice big breath, hold it, then explore with letting go of the rest of your body. It will be easier to come back and figure out the breathing after you know how to let go in the rest of your body first. Now, when you go onto your back or your face comes out of the water, you also have a reflex that says, it's time to breathe. This is a very good thing. We feel air, we breathe. What gets complicated though is when we're on our back float and trying to learn a back float, because our air is available to our face, we are likely to start breathing too soon before we're ready for all this change of buoyancy. And then we get tense because we lose buoyancy and we worry about it, and that makes us tense up even more, and there becomes this cycle of tension. So we need to know that we have this reflex, and when you're on your back, you can override it by knowing, oh, this is my brain just saying time to breathe. But I actually don't have to breathe, because you know you can hold your breath for quite a bit longer than the initial urge to breathe comes up on your back.